Bring all your wall panels into your work area. Then, start to join all the corners of the walls together. If necessary, remove the screw from the top door channel so you can fit the corner bracket into place. Then, fasten the bracket through the pilot holes into the top channels using the number 10 5/8 screws. Repeat the same steps for connecting the corner brackets to the bottom channels. Fasten 2 screws through the pilot holes in the door jamb to connect it to the door frame. Then, fit the barge support over the sliding road and fasten it using the screws into the sliding rail. Then, fit the running rail to the bottom channel, ensuring the end of the running rail is in line with the edge of the corner bracket. Using the corner bracket pilot hole as a guide, grab your 25/64 masonry drill bit and secure all 4 bottom brackets to the concrete with your 5/16 masonry anchors. Repeat the drilling process for the hold-down lug. Place your masonry anchor and hold-down lug onto the bottom wall channel and tighten. Then, using a 5/8 self-drilling screw, fasten the hold-down lug to the wall channel. Please refer to your guide for hold-down lug spacings.